Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Bhagyashree Ghosh and do subscribe to this channel immediately and turn on the notification because many videos are there to come. You are in the 10th root word of the summary word bar made easy and there are many videos about to come in this entire playlist. So make sure you subscribe and you don't miss on the new words because I'm trying to upload more and more videos and I'm trying to cover it very soon. I don't want to drag this series for eternity. Maybe in the next 10 days or 10-15 days I will cover all the videos. Like in one particular day I'm just trying to upload 2 3 4 videos, so that should help. Let us see how things goes, but I'm just trying to cover everything in this 1 month itself, and after that I'm planning to start Ren and Martin, right? So that will also help you. Chalo, not wasting any time, you now know my style. We are in the root word 10. What's my style, by the way? Yeah, my style is to not to waste your time. Hopefully, I'm not making you bored, huh? Pedos, guys, the next under 10 root word is pedos. What's the meaning of pedos? Pedos means child. Remember, when we were doing the root word, previous root word, it was root word number 7 that was meaning healing, atria, where we were doing the word pediatrician. So we were having the word peda. So the peda is coming from the word pedos. Pedos refers to a child, right? So what are the words that we can form from it? The first word is itself will be pediatrician, right? Pediatrics, say pediatrician we can form, and in fact pediatrics will be a word here. Okay, pediatrician. Where is the n? Huh? Here is the n. Pediatrician means a person, basically an expert who is a child specialist, a doctor for babies, especially small children up to the age of 5. So we can say doctor, right? Yeah, expert for children. The child doctor is called pediatrician. Now, the next word. The second word you might have heard it very nicely, and the word is pedagogy. At least pedagogy is something that means the pedagogy, a gogi is another root word that we are going to see. But here pedagogy, अगर हम लोग इसकी बात करें, it means peda is coming from child. It means leading of the child, to lead a child. Lead a child matlab to teach a child. When we lead a child means we are guiding a children, and who guides a children? A teacher. So pedagogy means a methodology in which we teach a child. So in a nutshell, pedagogy means teaching method. Can you relate it? Teaching method. And who are we teaching? We are teaching children. देखो, whether it is teaching children or adult, teaching method is the exact meaning of pedagogy, but the word peda is coming from child. So see, a word formation is now a word is formed, but it is used in a related a little bit different context, but it has the same root. If we can track the root, many things become easy for us to understand, like in the real exam, in the CAT or the other exams, when you get reading comprehensions to do, there also you get a lot of words. Hey, what it is? My hands is working faster than when I than what I say. Look at this word. Orthopedist. Do you know this word? Orthopedist. Now you are saying, hey, from where this ortho is coming? Ortho means what? Okay, let's break this one. Ortho means bones. Ortho means bones. Okay. And okay. Achha, if I go towards this side, then you might be able to see what is written. Ah. Achha, if I go towards this, then I'm coming to the screen side. Okay, fine. Ortho means bone, and pedist is coming from once again the root word pedos. So orthopedist is a doctor basically who treats the bone of the children having bone deformity. So orthopedist, look at the word orthopedist, a doctor treating bone deformity. Originally among children, this was original, but now today and there we know the word orthopedics. Orthopedists are also treating the bones of everyone, old age also, सब कुछ. So among children, this was the older one, but today the new meaning means doctor who is dealing with bones, है ना? Bone doctor or whatever we call, right? That's the new meaning, and this is applied for everyone, applied for all, not just children. So guys, that these were the three words forming from pedos. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. So do subscribe to this channel and spread this channel to the world. And if you want to join my Telegram group to get updates, do join it and check out the description definitely. So hopefully you liked it. That's all for the session. Well, this was the root number 10 word. What's the root number 11? Let me unveil the root number 11. What is the 11th word? Yeah, the 11th word is agogo. Weird to hear? Agogos. So what is the next root word? The next root word is going to be agogos. What it means? Well, you're going to see it soon. For the time, you can see there are a lot of things recommended on the screen. You can even check and save the playlist of this entire root word series, and the previous video you can see, and previous to previous video recommendations are all here. Hopefully, you are following all the root words, and there is a suggestion, try to follow all the root words from the beginning at least. If you have seen a video from in between, after seeing this video, even cover the previous video that you have missed, because these words are going to help you in the coming words, in the coming roots. Because in the coming roots, these roots you already know the book, and even I will assume that you are familiar now with the roots. So make sure you don't forget. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's meet in the next video. Up to the time, stay tuned. Thank you.